I'm Shrimay, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a haul video for you. Last weekend I picked up some of the products from Target and one product I guess from Kohl's. So I thought of sharing with you guys. So let's get started into the haul. So the first product which I brought is this NYX brow pencil and I got in the shade ash brown. This looks like this and has two ends. One this is the end where you have to twist it and you have to fill your eyebrows, and another end is this spoolie. I have used this brow pencil in my last video, so I hope you have seen this. That is the first time I have used, but still I thought as all these products are new, so I thought of sharing with you guys. I have heard so many good things about this brow pencil, so I thought of give it a try, and so far I'm really liking it. And the next product is this again for the brows, and this is the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. This and this is in the shade 380 medium to dark. It has three shades. One is light to medium, another one is medium to dark, and one in the clear side. So I got mine for medium to dark shade. This is basically again I have used this product in my last video for the first time, and this is just the brow mascara, you can say. This wands look like this. This has a very little tiny wand, you can see, and this supposed to set your brows in place, so that, and again because it is a color brow plumper, so it should give you a little bit hint of color to your brows. So if you are in a hurry and if you don't have time to apply a brow pencil to your brow, you are good to go with this. You can just apply it on your brow, and it should give you a hint of color as well as it should set your brows. Yeah, this is it. And again I want to just say you guys that all these products are from Target. So and the first NYX brow pencil cost for around 8 to 9 bucks, and this L'Oreal brow stylist plumper also charge around it cost around 7 bucks, I guess. And the next product is this Wet n Wild Kohl eyeliner in the shade nude. So this is a eyeliner in the color nude, you can see, and I hope you can see this. So you can apply this under your waterline. Just if your eyes are a little smaller, or if you want to make your eyes look more awake or bigger, I would suggest you guys to apply a nude liner like this, or a white liner rather than a black liner, so that it will make your eyes look more bigger and awake. So that's the third product, and again it charges for hardly $1, I guess. And the next product is a skincare product. I got this Arganware Ultra Nourishing Argan Oil from the Fashion Formula. This is 100% pure argan oil. It claims that you can use this as a moisturizer, primer, brightener, protector, and treatment. So this is not my new purchase, I can say. Like this is my second time purchase of this bottle, because I have already have one which is I'm currently using it. So this is my repurchasing one. So this is basically a argan oil, and again it has two types. One is in this this is 100% argan oil with, and another one is with, I think, gold glitter, I think, with the gold particles. So I don't like the gold particles. I thought of getting that one, but again I thought if I'm going to use it on my face, then it may look a little bit glittery for me, so I don't like that. So finally again I got this one, and it has this dropper, so that you can just, and I barely think you should use, for my face I use 2 drops or 3 drops, and I'm good to go with that. It's very nourishing. From the day I have brought, constantly using that as my primer, or else my primer, or as a moisturizer on my face. So I thought, anyhow I'm going to finish that, so why not take one more. So that's that. And I got these 2 travel size facial scrubber. The first one is Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub, oil free with bursting beads. So these are not, I haven't used this, but so I thought, okay, why to take the big one, let's take the travel size, use it. If I'm liking it, then I'm going to get the full size full size tube. So I have the clean and clear facial foaming wash, and I like that it has the little small bits, I guess. So, and it has the fresh smell. I hope I like this. And the next one is the Scent Apes Blemish Control Apricot Scrub, prevent blemish and minimize pore. Again, it's a 100% natural exfoliant, oil-free salicylic acne medication. This is sulfate-free and paraben-free. Of the same brand, I have already used the green tea scrub, and I like that. So, but I felt that was little bit harsh on my skin. So I thought, okay, I'm going to try this one out this time, and it's supposed to prevent your blemishes and can minimize your pores. So yeah, let's see how it works on me. The next product is this Maybelline concealer, Maybelline Fit Me Line concealer, and I got in the shade 30 Cafe. This is very dark, I know, but I got this to use as my contour. So I know this is the great concealer from their Maybelline Fit Me line, and people raves about it. So I thought, okay, let me try this as my contour product, because as it's very dark. So yeah, I'm going to try this one out. So next product is going to be a jewelry item. This is this one. This is a layer necklace. Again, this I got from Target. So till yet what I have shown you guys all are from Target. So I'm going to open it up. I haven't opened. I got this from the dollar section. This is only for $3, and I have seen so many people wearing this. When I saw this, I thought, okay, now I'm going to take this out. So this look like this. This is the 3-layer necklace. The first one here you can see, this is written love pendant, I guess, and here it has a small arrow, and again it has a small heart pendant. It's looking very good, and I feel you can pair it with any top. It will really look very nice. So yeah. So that's all the product, guys, which I got from Target. And then I got one product from Kohl's, and that is this one, Marie Luminizer by The Balm. I have seen so many people, this highlighter, my god, people are raving like anything. Not now, I think from years, people are raving like anything about this. And this highlighter now is not available at Sephora. I have tried so many times, but I didn't find out. But then you can find out this at online, I think, at their thebalm.com. I went to Kohl's the other day, and I saw this at their cosmetic section, and I thought, okay, now finally I got this at Kohl's. So I thought, okay, now I'm going to take this out. So this is of 8.5 grams, 0.3 ounce. Get this. This is champagne light golden. You can't say this is completely golden. It's a mixture of champagne golden. This color will suit so many skin tone, guys. I think it will look good on darker skin tone or medium to dark, or even if you're fair or pale, any skin tone. I think this highlighter will look amazing. I'll swatch it for you guys once. It is so creamy and so pigmented. Can you see that, guys? It is so pretty. My god. It is so pretty, guys. This doesn't have any shimmer particle, you can say. It has a very little sheen to it. You can go very light-handed, or you can build it up to get a boom effect. But it's very creamy, and one swipe you're good to go. See, this guy is so creamy and so beautiful. Can you see that? My god, I'm going to wear this today. It's highly recommend this. This is so pretty. I know this is a little bit on the pricier side. It cost me about it cost me for $24. You are getting quite a few products, guys. This pan is, this is not a small pan. This is a huge pan, you can see, and you're getting a 0.3 ounce, so it will go a long way. So I highly recommend this. So yeah, that's it, guys. That was all. So that was all the product which I got. I hope you enjoyed this small haul, and if you enjoy this, then please like, comment and share this with your friends. And yeah, don't forget to comment down below your video suggestions so that I can film it for you guys, and subscribe to my channel for upcoming video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.